Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Today is unboxing time and we're going to be unboxing the premium box for the month of May. As you know, the theme is super bloom, so pretty. But if you are a mom, I want to say happy Mother's Day, and if you already celebrated Mother's Day, I hope you had a wonderful time. So yeah, today is time to do an unboxing. We're gonna do it together, but we're gonna do it for the second time because the first time I did it there was no audio, so you're gonna see that some of the products were already open, but I'm gonna try to show you my reaction or how the product looked like. Yeah, so I'm doing this twice but I actually did what you guys voted, and it was a survey that I share here on Facebook, also on Instagram, for you guys to tell me how you guys wanted to do for me to do the unboxing. If that was me peeking through, checking the products, and then so we could try it together on camera so I could be more prepared, or for me to do no peeking and we open it together. And that's exactly what I did because that's what you guys voted. If you guys want to see my base unboxing, I did the same thing. I unboxed it on camera with you guys together. And if you're not subscribed, I need to subscribe so you guys could check out that video too. So let's go ahead and open once again the premium box. So the first item that I was shocked, to be honest, because even though I do spoilers, I had no idea this was going to be in the box. I don't even think I've seen it on a survey either, but it's this product here. Look guys, it's really different. It took me a little bit for me to find out what this product was about, and then it says the wonder begins. Exactly, that's how it made me feel. Like I was wondering. It was a lot but we finally figured it out, and it's just a nighttime, there's a daytime, and once you hit the back it tells you what it is in here. And in the back it says dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes. It brings 20, so there's 10 for day and then there's 10 for the nighttime. I was a little bit scared what to think about this, because the reason why I stopped using cleansing wipes is because they were so harsh on my skin, and even though it's meant to remove the makeup, remove dirt, remove oils, it was actually stripping my skin away from good products. A lot of them did have alcohol. So at the end of the day, my skin was worst, and it had some reactions from some of the wipes. So right away I saw a pattern and I had to stop using the wipes. But here it did say for when I opened the daytime, it said that it's even gentle enough for sensitive skin. So I feel like maybe the technology, the ingredients, and maybe the texture of the wipes are different. This is from Base Blue Cosmetics, is dry and wet dual action facial cleansing wipes, and the retail value guys is just $21. So if this works, I have no reaction, then I think I might get another one, especially for my trip. So I'm glad this in the box hopefully is good. Now let's go ahead and open the second item. And the second item that I opened, so the second item I opened was Cover FX. I was super excited, super happy to see this brand because we have not seen this from Boxycharm. I remember years ago we were so excited to get brands like this in Boxycharm. So it's good. I don't know, it's like a good memory. So it's good to see it again. But I'm not a fan of primer, so it's kind of like a let down there. Primer is a gel primer. It has no alcohol, so it's alcohol free. I love that. And it's more like a glass-like finish, and it's gonna grip makeup for all day wear. That's the reason why I don't like primers. It's because sometimes I just put primer half of my face and the other half I don't. Notice that my makeup lasts longer without primer, and that's the reason why I really don't like it. Or sometimes it feels so heavy too. But this one I'm excited to try it because it does say that it's going to grip to makeup for all day wear. So those are the claims, and that's exactly what I don't like primer. So let's see if this one works, and I just have to test it out. And like I said, this one reaches for $38. I was so happy. I am so happy guys I got this product. Why? Because when I do spoilers, I remember this one specifically, and deep inside I wanted this product, so I'm happy. It's in this variation, and it's from Elemis. Everything I try from Elemis is really good, and even though my skin is sensitive, it's not a fail. This is Superfood Midnight Facial. I love my nighttime skincare routine, and I love to include always a sleeping mask, and this one is almost like that. I love the packaging. And this one, guys, retails for $50. So this is a prebiotic overnight sleeping cream. That's what doesn't say mask, because once I opened it, you will see that it has a cream texture. So it doesn't feel like a mask. It doesn't look like it's going to be super lightweight. That's what's called sleeping cream, that is going to leave even your dry, thirsty skin feeling silky soft. So $50, so pretty. Love the packaging. And when I saw it, I'm like, whoa, for a sleeping mask, this was really, really dense. Whoa, look at this packaging, guys. And the smell, oh my God, I love, love, love the smell. It's not like a lavender. It's more like a bubblegum type of flower scent, I guess. It's super nice. I don't know, I love it. It does look dense, thick. It's a cream, so it doesn't feel like none of my sleeping masks that I wear. But it is so hydrating. It feels so nice on the skin, and I love how it smells. So I'm excited for this, and I love how the ingredients that, or the claims that this has. It's a prebiotic. So guys, I'm so excited. I saw this in the box. This totally made my box, and this one retails for $50. So the next item I got was a Brani. When I was doing the spoilers, I tried to search more about this brand, and they do have some great products. And this is a serum that she mentions that what she does is she takes the serum, puts it in the fridge, and then she applies it. She says that when you take serums in the fridge and it's cool, it just enriches the ingredients. That means that the potency of it is going to be a lot stronger. And also, if you leave it in the fridge, the life shelf, or the life, or how long this will last a lot longer. So that's good to know. Also, it has 3 great ingredients that are going to help calming. But one thing I love that it's going to help also with dark spots. This is from Brani, and this is a balance restoring serum. This one retails for $60. It's going to remove toxin. It's going to minimize the appearance of pores and dark spots while restoring your natural moisture barrier. That's the reason why I also saw that it was a plus. My skin suffered so much that I could notice the barrier was horrible, and I'm looking for another ingredient to help balance that out, to help restore, to help better the barrier, the skin barrier. If your barrier is healthy, it's gonna help combat other problems. It just makes it a lot better, and that's what I'm trying to add ingredients that, or products that claim to help with that. And it's like water. It's so refreshing. I can't even imagine how much better it's gonna feel on the skin when you put it in the fridge. So yeah, guys, I'm excited for this. I'm really excited for this product. And as you know, this is a new brand to Boxycharm. And next I have something that I'm super excited for. I couldn't tell what it was, but then I'm like, oh, are these brushes? And it is brushes. I'm so excited that I got this. This is something else I did not know we were going to receive, and this is a huge bonus. This is from Larus Beauty. It's a 3-piece contour brush set with Service by limited edition pouch. So we're getting this pouch. So this, guys, is $50. One thing that I like, we have received contour brushes in the past, and I try using them, and sometimes it's my go-to because I love that it has an angle, and I think it makes it a lot easier to apply, especially the contour look or contour makeup. But a lot of them are very dense, so it just feels like you put in more product than you should, and sometimes you have to squeeze it to make sure that it goes exactly where you want and not all over it. This one, guys, is perfect. Look at this angle, and is pretty thin. So this one I think is what I was looking for, and I didn't even notice that it was pink. I remember we received this in the past and it was black, and I love this type of texture because it makes it easier to grip on, to hold the brush. Obviously you don't hold it like this, but it makes it easier to hold. And I love the packaging. It just makes it more, I don't know, sweeter and more glam, more romantic, I don't know, more chic. When it's this color that you would think that's my favorite color, but it's not. But I don't know, I like it, maybe because it's so different. So here are the brushes, and they are perfect. They're the perfect size. I'm loving these, guys. I'm loving this. Look how cute they look. So I don't know if Riley's gonna be getting this. And like I mentioned, this from Larus Beauty, and this one retails for $50. So I feel like we're almost finished with the box. We just have one more item. The last item is from which I kind of just touching it, you could tell is gonna be a lipstick, but then when I read it, it's a lip gloss. This is from KVD Beauty XO lip gloss, and this one retails for $19. I remember years ago, any product you have from KVD was huge, especially her foundation. So I know it was hard to get products from KVD because they were so expensive back then. So it's nice to see a lip gloss, and this one's called Petunia 30. Such a pretty shade, and I did try it on, and this one, guys, retail for $19. This says, even though it's a gloss, is high pigmented. It does feel high pigmented, high performance. So we're doing gloss our way. XO lip gloss, that's the name, XO lip gloss, has more pigment than other sheer glosses. It got KVD signature creme brulee flavor. Oh my god, when I opened it, it smells so nice. Now I know I love creme brulee. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorite desserts. I actually made it a few times. I know my son loves it too. Today's his birthday, so I know he will love that. I love the scent. It did glide nicely, and it did not feel sticky. It just doesn't even feel like you're wearing lipstick. So well, in this case, I did have lipstick. I just applied this on top. This is a lip gloss, and now we have the complete collection, complete set, that we have 3 makeup and 3 skincare products. So this box is very in the middle. It met halfway. I am loving my box. I love my variation because there's some products there that I love, and because I'm in a journey, Jazz journey is to improve my skincare, and reading and hearing about those products, I'm so excited to get it in the box. So on this section here, I'm going to put the retail value of my May premium box. And guys, what do you guys think of this variation? I'm really excited, so I just wanted to share with you and open it together again at this time. But I did open it, and I waited on camera to do it. Too bad that the audio was not working, but I wanted to show you that I did behave, guys. So thank you guys for spending some time with me, and until the next video, bye.